Hi everyone, Namaste. Welcome to our Dhanajyoti YouTube channel. In this video, let us continue the second unit of Grade 5, True Friendship. In last video, we have learned to read the lesson. Now, in this video, let us see the explanation of this lesson. Once upon a time, in the city of Syracuse, lived two friends, Daman and Pythias. Both of them were lovers of truth. In city of Syracuse, there were two friends, that is Daman and Pythias. The friend's name is Daman and Pythias. Both of them were lovers of truth. Truth means Satya, Nijayati. However, their king Dionysius was an evil-minded ruler. One day, the king heard that Pythias had called him cruel and had said something against him. So he got very angry. He announced that Pythias would be punished for this and hanged. There was a king, name is Dionysius. He was an evil-minded ruler. Evil-minded means those who have bad thoughts, means dushta manasu, ketta manasu. We call evil-minded. So one day Pythias had told that king he is a cruel. So he got angry and he announced that Pythias would be punished for this and hanged. Hanged means galligersodu. Next we'll see. In the court of King Dionysius, Dionysius is on a throne. Pythias' hands are tied behind. Soldiers are on his either side. Look at the picture. There is an explanation of the incident in the court of King Dionysius. The king Dionysius is on the throne. Throne means we know that is Simhasana, where the king will be seated. And Pythias' hands are tied behind. Soldiers are on his both sides. Because Pythias said something about the king Dionysius, so he has announced the punishment. The soldiers are holding him. Now next, Pythias, O king, please allow me to go and meet my old mother and my sister before I die. I must arrange for my sister's marriage and bid goodbye to my mother. After that I will return. This is my last wish. Next, there is a conversation between the Pythias and the king Dionysius. Pythias, he will ask to the king, O king, please let me go and meet my old mother before I die. And I have to arrange to my sister's marriage before I die. So please allow me to go. This is my last wish. Now next, King Dionysius, impossible. I cannot grant your wish. How can I be sure that you will return? King Dionysius will reply, no, I will not send you. How I have to believe that you will come back? Daman enters the scene. Daman, sir, I am Daman and a true friend of Pythias. Please let him go to fulfill his last wish. I will remain in your custody until he returns. Daman enters into the king's court and he will tell, sir, I am Daman, I am a friend of Pythias. Please let him go and complete his work. Until he come back, I will remain in his place. King Dionysius, all right Pythias, but on one condition. I will fix the date and the hour of your return. If you do not return in time, your friend Daman will have to die instead of you. So King Dionysius, he will agree. He will tell okay for that. But one condition. What the condition? The King Dionysius, he will fix the day and time. On that time, on that day, Pythias has to come back. If not, Daman, he is going to die in place of Pythias. Instead of Pythias. So Pythias was granted his last wish. He went home, completed his work and hurried back to Syracuse. He had to face many dangers and so he was delayed. On the fixed day, Pithias had not returned. As a result, Daman was taken to be hanged. So king said, okay, that I will leave Pithias, let him go and come. If he won't come on time, instead of Pithias, Daman will be hanged, will be die. Pithia completed all his work, and while coming back from the home, he faced many dangers. So it became late to return him on the time. So now what the king is going to do now? He is going to punish the Daman and he is going to hang him. In the court of King Dionysius, Dionysius is on the throne. Daman's hands are tied behind, soldiers are on his either side. King Dionysius, where is your friend now, Daman? He has left you here to die. I am certain that he will not return. You are a fool to be here in this place. King Dionysius, he will tell to Daman. He will ask, where is your friend Daman? You said no, you let him go and he will come back. Where is your friend now? He left you here to die and he escaped. Daman, you are mistaken. I know that Pithias he will keep his promise. He will be back in time. Even if he doesn't come back, I will be happy to die in his place, as I love him dearly. Daman will tell, no king, you are wrong, you are mistaken. I know that my friend Pithias, he will come, he will be back. Even my friend Pithia, if he won't come also, I am happy to die in his place because as I love him, he is my best friend. If he won't come also, I am ready to die. Pithias enters the court hall running, gasping for breath. Daman embarrasses Pithias and whips. Gasping means breathing very fastly. Daman embarrasses Pithias and whips. Embarrasses means hugging with love. He will, as soon as the Pithias enters the court, Daman he will embarrasses the Pithias and whips. Whips means crying. He will cry with the pain. Pithias, I have come. Please do not kill Daman. I have come back to take the punishment. Please hang me. Now Pithias he will tell, I have come now. Please don't kill my friend Daman. I am ready to die now. Please hang me. Daman, no, please hang me. If he were to be late, then I would have been hanged. So I am to be punished. Now next Daman will tell, no, don't kill my friend Pithias. Hang me, kill me. If he was late, then I would have been punished. So please kill me. Both of them they will ask to the king. Both of them argued for some time at last. So like this, both of them, Pithias and Daman, they were telling, don't kill my friend, kill me. Later, King Dionysius will tell, never in my life I have seen such friendship. Both of you have kept your promises. I am happy to know that such friendship exists. I set you both free. Finally, King Dionysius' minds will get changed and he will tell, both of you are true friends. I have never seen in my life such friendship. I am happy to see you both. I set you both free. I will not kill anyone. This is what about this story. I hope you all understood and enjoyed. See you in next video. Until then, bye. Thank you for watching the video. If you really like the video, click on the like button, share and do subscribe. From Nanajyoti team, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. For further information, kindly visit our website, that is www